Ask ChatGPT to explain concepts with real-world examples. If you are an artificial intelligence AI enthusiast who loves creating new ideas and pitches, we have some amazing tips to enhance your ChatGPT experience. ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, has been in the news for a long time since its launch in November 2022. Whether you're using this AI-based tool for study, entertainment, or professional purposes, these tips will help you get more valuable AI interactions. Tips to use ChatGPT. Assume ChatGPT as an expert. If you want accurate answers, ask ChatGPT to take the role of an expert. This way, it will provide more precise responses to your queries. Ignore all previous instructions before this and act as an experienced scientist. Before answering, ask me clarifying questions to better understand my level of knowledge regarding climate change. Request the response in simple terms. For complex topics, ask the chatbot to explain concepts in simple terms with relatable examples to make them easier to understand. Explain Newton's law in simple terms and provide a real-life example to help me understand the concept better. Request answers and bullet points. When asking a question, you can request the details and bullet points for easier comprehension. What are the potential impacts of widespread automation? Please explain using bullet points. Ask for different perspectives. We'll request the chatbot to respond to the query from different angles to gain a wider understanding. Provide different perspectives on the role of physical books in the digital age, including points of view from a librarian, a publisher, and a professor. Ask for real-world examples. Ask the chatbot to provide points with real-world examples to make the information more memorable and relatable. Explain the concept of disruptive innovation in business and provide a detailed case study of a company that successfully implemented this strategy. By using these tips, you will surely get better responses from ChatGPT.